Our letter this week is letter H, and H makes the sound. And I always remind the kids, they'll know if they're making this sound correctly because they'll be able to feel hot air coming out of their mouth if they put their hand in front of it. So the way we form capital H is make two lines high then low, then connect the lines so they can say hello. And lowercase h is start high and then go low, jump back up and make a little hump. So that is how we form capital and lowercase h. So for our homework options, choose an option for capital H and an option for lowercase h. Or if the kids have an idea of their own that isn't on here, that is fine. They can go ahead and do that. Just send it to me through Dojo. Write H in Play-Doh. So you can just flatten a piece of Play-Doh out. They can use a toothpick or a pencil or their fingernail, and they can make capital H or lowercase h. Have them do it a few times. Then I figured maybe some people would have some of those little conversation heart candies, or if you have heart stickers, you can use hearts to make capital H or lowercase h, or you can cut out hearts. And then this activity, you'd have to have the right materials for it, but I thought it looked really fun. If you lay a little piece of cardboard down and then put a paper on top of it, and then write an H on it, and if you have a golf tee and a hammer, you can have them hammer capital H or lowercase h. Also, I've seen people put some foam, so if you have some like packing foam, that would work underneath it. And if you don't have golf tees, they can just take a hammer and hammer right on those the lines of the capital H or the lowercase h. And our last option is always our handwriting page.